Are you looking for a way to add some unique style and character to your home without breaking the bank? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to DIY your own ceiling light. After you've assembled all your pieces, you can start assembling this. And to start assembling this, you're going to thread the keyless lamp socket to the shade holder. Next, you'll take the hollow nipple and thread it into the straight cylinder and then onto that lamp socket. Next, you're going to break down the lamp socket even more by removing the top piece, and you're going to insert the hollow nipple onto the canopy, and then you're going to thread a washer, a star lock nut washer, and then the hex nut to it and tighten it. Then remove the middle piece of the light socket. This is actually where you will attach the wires. So you're going to unscrew the screws on the sides because the wires will be added to these screws. Next, you're going to take your wires. You're going to twist those wires so that way they're not frayed. Another tip is make sure it has a loop in it, a hook, because this will allow you to hook this wire around the screw when you're tightening it. Then you're going to put the wire on the screw and you're going to tighten. Key here is that you want the wire to go in the direction that you're going to be screwing the screw down. That way your wire can tighten to the screw and it will be very secure. After everything's tightened, you will do the other side as well. And just as a note, it doesn't matter which side you put what wire on. After that, you'll put this attachment, this middle piece, back into the socket, and then you will thread the wire through the other pieces that you just attached previously. Then you'll tighten everything back together on that socket. To make your light fully ready for install, I recommend removing some of the jacket, the insulation from the wire, just so that you're ready. And you don't have to fully remove it, you just kind of slightly take it off. This is how you will find all lights that you buy from the hardware store. The only thing left is adding that crossbar kit, and so this comes with the crossbar, the studs, and the acorn nuts to hold it all into place. And so all you'll do is you'll attach that crossbar to your area where you're putting the light, and you'll attach this acorn through, and then you'll attach your bulb to that main area, that shade holder, and you're all done. I have the hallway lights are all installed and into place. What do you think?